Okay, so we're now ready to run the setup.exe for Project Pro for Office 365. Notice I had to leave a previous session. I've put the two recordings together. It's a little later in the evening now, but I had to go and do some stuff today, so I'm going to run this now. Let's just retry that. So obviously shutting down, hibernating my computer. Caused that error. We then get the following user account control. Do I want to run the program name Microsoft Office? Click to run. The answer to that is yes. So we're still going to download this, and we're going to start the install of project. It is now 4 minutes to 9 of the evening. So again, we're going to try and do this in near real time. Let's just see how quick this starts to move. So that's starting to go through quite nicely. I'm still in the same campsite. I'm still running on probably 2 megasecond download, and or was it 3 or 4? It wasn't that fast. And 0.1 or 0.2 or 0.3 upload. So this is just downloading and configuring Project Pro for Office 365. 3 minutes to 10 now. So it seems to go in fits and starts, doing a few percentage and then stopping for a little while. Stopping at 38% here now, then running quickly through for 48%, 54% now, still 3 minutes to 9 of an evening. Seems to have decided to stick there at 54% for a little while. The clock just rolls on. 2 minutes to 9. I wonder what it's doing. Now notice on this machine also, you can see from the icons on the left hand side here, I've got Project 2007 installed and Project 2010. Both of those are the professional versions. Project 2013 will sit nicely alongside those and play quite happily. So we still seem to be sitting at 54% here. So it's now 1 minute to 9. We haven't moved on. Oh, we're just moving on now. So from 54%, a big jump to 71%. It's still streaming application features, so I have no idea what that means. Moving on slowly to 73%. Moving slightly now, 75%, 80%. And it's 9 o'clock and something stopped. Didn't see it go through to 100%. Let's just see. Oh, welcome to Office. We think you'll love it. Let's get started. So we're now connecting to an account here. So that will be checking my online account, my Office 365 account. So I guess it's logging me in. It'll be doing some verification of how many times this software has been installed, whether it's been installed on this machine, and it will also take some details of this machine as well. Now I have done this a couple of times before and it's been pretty quick, so whether it is down to the speed of the connection and it's uploading some information about a computer, I don't know. I mean, it would seem a lot of information, but it would be uploading. Oh, there we go, we've finished on that one. So, welcome to Office, we think you'll love it. Let's get started. Let's click on Next. Oh, maybe we can't click on Next yet. So, at the top here, I do get not responding. So we are waiting for something to happen. We've come back now. Again, let's just try this.
Welcome to Office 15.
Brilliant.
It's your office. It goes wherever you go. When you sign into Office, it's easy to keep your documents safely online.
Well, I think that's pretty good. One day I'll watch all of that. So that's Office Project Pro installed. Let's just refresh this screen here. See what's happened. So, back into Project. Here's what's happened. We've installed this on this computer, Tosh 750GB. It's my operating system is Windows 7 Ultimate, and the installation date is August the 13th. That's pretty good. I've got a couple of remaining installs, which is 2. Interestingly, I have an install limit of 5, which doesn't quite work for me at the moment. In terms of, this is the only installation I've done, so I would like to have, I'd have expected to have seen that as 4. I can deactivate this version of Office on this computer, that's fine, but let's go and have a look at Project. So here we are, Project 2013, and you can see also I've got some new programs, in here. Office 2013, here's Project 2013, so let's open that up. Seems like that also streams some application features, maybe additional ones, and it opens up the preview here. It's quite nice, and in the background I've got this, which is Office is installing in the background. So 15% of 100% is installed, but I'm not sure what maybe the additional pieces. It's certainly opening up some 2013 preview stuff here. So this is now 21:11, so 11 minutes past 9. Let's see what's happening here. So this is still installing in the background. We're at 16%. This could take a long time. Oops, I didn't really want to do that. Let's get back to my 2013 preview. Here we go. So this is looking not too bad. We're going to connect to my account again. Let's hope that's a little bit quicker than it was before. "2112", for those of you who recognise the time, 2112 was a brilliant album by Rush. So now I can go and create blank project, new existing project, etc, etc. So that's really Microsoft Project installed. Let's go and make sure that we believe it. Here we are, and we can come in and put in some tasks, T1, T2, M1 is all the manually scheduling coming in. Not sure on the duration, but we might start it tomorrow. Okay, excellent. This will be 2 days. We might start that on Wednesday. Wednesday. Okay, so we can work all of this little lot out. 0 days duration, and we'll start that on Friday. Brilliant. So manually scheduling seems to work in this version of Project. We will close that down. Do I want to save Project 1? No. So that's absolutely brilliant. Project is installed for us in a matter of, well, 20 to 30 minutes. The rest of Office seems to be installing in the background. If we open that up, we're 18% installed on that. So, it says go ahead and use your programs, which is what we're going to do. I'm just going to, well, that's it. What else do we need to do? Not much. If I wanted to deactivate this, I would now deactivate it. I could now deactivate it by clicking on that button there, and then I would go and remove the program from within my add remove programs as usual. So hopefully you found that useful. As a reminder of what we did, we assigned a license to a user. We then waited a few minutes for that license to be available for us to download. That came into here as project. We installed that, and we download and stream that install to me. We're doing this on a public Wi-Fi. I did say I would go and have a look at a speed test, so let's just go and test this again. So we have a ping test that goes off first of all, 68 milliseconds, which is about half the speed or twice the speed that it was earlier today. But my download is looking like at the moment 1.6, 1.7 maximum download speed. So pretty awful really. And my upload speed obviously is going to be very abysmal. As I say, I'm sitting in rural France on a public Wi-Fi on a campsite, and really I wanted to do this test on this sort of environment, or within this environment, just to see how does this really work, and is it really feasible on the go. And the answer, I think, is yes, it is. So I hope you found that useful. Please share widely with your friends. Thank you and good night.